Photoelectric smoke detectors offer several advantages over ionization smoke detectors. Firstly, photoelectric detectors respond faster to smoldering fires. Photoelectric smoke detectors use infrared light to detect smoke particles. These particles are typically smaller and more abundant in smoldering fires, which are more common than fast flaming fires. As a result, photoelectric smoke detectors respond faster to smoldering fires, providing occupants with more time to evacuate. Secondly, they provide reduced false alarms. Ionization smoke detectors use radioactive particles to detect smoke. These particles can be subject to false alarms from sources such as dust, steam, and cleaning fumes. Photoelectric smoke detectors are less prone to false alarms because they do not rely on radioactive particles. Thirdly, photoelectric detectors have lower maintenance requirements. Ionization smoke detectors require periodic replacement of the radioactive source. Photoelectric smoke detectors do not have this requirement, as they do not contain radioactive materials. This reduces maintenance costs. Fourthly, they have a longer lifespan. Photoelectric smoke detectors typically have a longer lifespan than ionization smoke detectors, lasting up to 10 years or more. Ionization smoke detectors typically last around 5 years. Fifthly, photoelectric detectors have improved sensitivity. Photoelectric smoke detectors have increased sensitivity compared to ionization smoke detectors. This means they can detect smaller amounts of smoke, providing early detection and warning. Sixthly, in some areas, photoelectric smoke detectors are required by building codes. For example, the International Fire Code, or IFC, requires the use of photoelectric smoke detectors in all new residential and commercial buildings. Based on these advantages, photoelectric smoke detectors are generally considered more valuable than ionization smoke detectors for the following reasons. Firstly, they provide faster and more reliable detection of smoldering fires. Secondly, they reduce false alarms, improving occupant safety and peace of mind. Thirdly, they have lower maintenance requirements and a longer lifespan. Fourthly, they offer improved sensitivity for early detection and increased lifespan. And fifthly, they meet building code compliance in many areas.